So Loki Sam has a question. I wrote USCIS only on my check for application, the I-751. I just found out that I have to write U.S. Department of Homeland Security. Are they going to accept it, or am I going to get my whole case back? I did write they should accept it if you write USCIS. They should accept it. If you get a jerk in the mailroom, they will return it and then just fix the check and send it back. But they should accept it for USCIS. I have seen them accept checks for USCIS. Can I guarantee you they'll accept it? No, but you should be making out your checks to the Department of Homeland Security. Rani Pandit says, hello, sir. I married a U.S. citizen on December 5th, 2015. My I-751 receipt date is May 29th, 2018. It's over 24 months. They transferred my case to the National Broadcast Center. My case is over approximately 5 months. Still no reply for my 10-year green card. Can I apply for an N-400? Then USCIS interview for 10-year green card, or citizenship interview, or combined interview. I married a U.S. citizen December 5th, 2015. My I-751 receipt date is May 29th. It's over 24 months. They transferred my case. My case is now 5 months, still no reply for my 10-year green card. You can apply for your 10-year green card if you're in a bona fide marriage with your spouse. Why not? I don't know if it's going to speed up your case, but certainly you can absolutely do it. I don't like to do it because it doesn't really speed up your case. What would speed up your case is threaten a mandamus. Usually what happens is when you file the N-400, they transfer your I-751 to your N-400. You go for an N-400 interview, and now you have 2 cases pending. Philemon Guriam is watching from Ethiopia. Thank you very much, Philium. I hope everything is well there. Let's see what else we have here. Stargirl Mika with a question. Brad, can a family migrating from Jamaica be sponsored by 2 co-sponsors if they can't get 1 co-sponsor who makes enough? Yes. You can have 1 co-sponsor do 1 family member and a separate co-sponsor do a second family member. That's absolutely fine. A lot of people are commenting on the day's events, so it's hard to find the immigration questions through here. Let's see what we have. Nicole Hernandez with a question. Currently, both my I-751 and N-400 is being processed. My I-751 will expire in August. How soon should I request an infopass appointment to get a new stamp? Now. Do it now, even though as soon as immigration opens on June 4th. By the way, immigration's opening on June 4th everywhere but New York City. At least that was, we don't know what's now because of all these protests. But up until last week, that's what was going to happen. Samuel Barif said, I recently married my wife, but she renewed her passport a couple of weeks ago, but she had signed her maiden name in her Jamaican passport. I'm about to file for her. Will that be a problem? No, it's a modern world. She does not have to take your married name. She can if she wants to, but she doesn't have to. Pat Ego, I am an American citizen. My husband lives here in Dubai. We were at the last stages of the process where we have to pay first set of fees to the embassy after we received our approval. Then I went to pay online. It was not accepted because the band had started. My husband is Nigerian. Well, if your husband is Nigerian, unfortunately, they're not going to accept it. Perhaps we can do what's called a K3 visa for him. We're trying that for Nigerians and see, whoops, I just dropped my phone. We're trying that for Nigerians and we're going to see how that goes. But a K3 visa is a non-immigrant visa. So a K3 visa presumably should be able to be approved simply because the ban is on immigrant visas, not non-immigrant visas. A K3 visa is a visa to come to the United States to wait for your green card while it's pending. So I would definitely give that one a try for sure. David Segby. I petitioned for my child who is over 21. She was in Africa, but just came to U.S. on a non-immigrant visa. How do I transfer the case here in America? Well, it depends. You don't do anything unless her priority date is current. I think you would need a consultation. 1-800-529-5465. I'm not sure what her non-immigrant visa is, but there's nothing to transfer until her priority date is current. And the whole idea now is let's keep her current on her non-immigrant visa. And finally, right now, Sheila Laville Collier asks a question. Hi, Uncle Brad. My friend applied for adjustment of status on May 1st, 2020 through the Chicago lockbox, but has not heard anything from USCIS regarding a receipt notice. Could that mean there's a problem with the application? No, just make sure that the credit card or the check that you used to pay was cashed, usually paying with a check or a money order, or if the credit card you paid online. But I just realized you didn't pay online. What a dumb thought, because you mailed it to the Chicago lockbox. So make sure that your check or your money order is cashed. Okay, and with that, now we're going to try something. Now, let's see what else we got here. Mof Suleiman. Can I remarry while Vawa is pending, and will that deny it? You cannot marry when your I-360 on your Vawa is pending. But if your I-360 is approved and you have not gotten your I-485 approved yet, then you can marry. You can marry once the I-360 is approved. Mr. Dazzle has a question. Hi, Uncle Brad. It appears a petitioner's country of current nationality plays a key role in the I-751 approvals based on some trends. Any thoughts on this? Yes, I agree. If you come from Africa, you come from certain countries in South and Central America, you're going to wait, or you come from the Caribbean, you're going to wait a lot longer than if you're a white person from Norway. Thank you, Mr. Trump. Jody Ann Samuels has a question. Nope, just saying thank you. All right. Susu with a question. Hi, Brad. I filed my son's I-45 since 2019, but did not get his receipt. What should I do? You can go online and request a duplicate copy of the receipt notice. You should also make sure that the filing fee check that you used to pay for your filing fees was cashed. Make sure that that case is still pending. And that is going to end our Brad Show Live today. I know we were very short on immigration questions, but we thought it was very important to talk about what's going on in the world today. After all, we are a show about immigrants and immigration. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.